Hello, good day. Today we're going to be considering BECE 2018 Basic Science Past Question, Question 9. BECE 2018 Basic Science Past Question, Question 9. Radioactivity is used for the following except radioactivity is used for the following except A. Carbon dating, B. Kill germs, C. Corrosion, and D. Treatment and to treat cancer. To treat cancer. Now, like we know, radioactivity here simply means what? The spontaneous disintegration. Spontaneous disintegration of substances like elements. So now we have to look for the uses of radioactivity, and then to pick from this option which is not a use of radioactivity. A here says carbon dating. Carbon dating simply means tracing the age of an object, like rocks, using radioactivity. So carbon dating is a use of radioactivity. B here says to kill germ. Now radioactivity has been used to kill germs. It has been used to kill germs in form of what? Sterilization. So we use radioactive substances to sterilize our equipment. So it helps to kill germs. Then C here says corrosion, and like we know, corrosion simply means what? Rusting. And radioactivity is not used in aspect of what? Corrosion. So in the aspect of corrosion, radioactivity is not used. Then D says treatment of cancer. Now radioactivity has been used so far in treating some tumors, and like we know, cancers are tumors. So radioactivity has been used in treating some tumor cells. So you see that radioactivity has been used in carbon dating, it has been used in killing germs, and it has been used in treatment of cancer. But radioactivity has not been used in corrosion or in the treatment of corrosion, which is rusting. So from this you see that what? C is our answer. Corrosion. Thank you very much. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel for more videos.